Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Messenger app. Go ahead and click on menu. Click on settings. Scroll down, all the way down until you get to account center. Scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on personal details. Then go ahead and click on account ownership and control. Go ahead and click on the activation or deletion. Select your Facebook account. It's take you right here. Deactivating or deleting your Facebook account. If you want to take a break from Facebook, you can temporarily deactivate this account. If you want to permanently delete your account, let us know. What you want to do is to switch to delete right here. So click on that. Once you select on that, hit on continue, and you'll be asked to log in with your password on Facebook. Once you enter your password, give a consent and delete your messenger. With that, this is what you get when you delete your account. When you delete your account, your main profile and everything will be added, and everything else you have added will be permanently deleted. You won't be able to retrieve anything you have added. All additional profile, messengers, and all of your messages will also be deleted permanently. It's that simple. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.